Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Let's dive on into Ondo today because you know what? I think it actually has some big things in its future. And in this video, we're going to go over some current news as well as the technical analysis. So if this is something that tickles your fancy and you're not subscribed yet, might consider it. Anyways, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of the RWA cryptos, and do you think that's going to be the next big thing in this bull run? XRP Army, quiet down. I'm not asking you. I'm asking everybody else. Because I already know. You guys are like, XRP to 60,000. Yeah, I've heard. Anyways, let's dive on into this. So, Yahoo Finance, as of February 10th, wrote this about Ondo. Ondo Finance is a leader in blockchain-based financial innovation, has introduced Ondo Chain, a new blockchain designed to connect traditional finance with blockchain ecosystem. Ondo Chain acts as a bridge between conventional finance and decentralized finance, aka DeFi, allowing the tokenization of real-world assets, including U.S. public securities. The news has triggered the price of the token Ondo, which is currently at $1.36, representing an almost 17% increase over the last week. So this was as of February 10th. So yeah, not a bad little intro. Also, this is off Yahoo Finance. So there are a lot of people in the traditional finance world that does still look at Yahoo Finance, and this is the information they're getting. So of course I do want to dive into the other side just to see the info they're getting, because if you stay in your echo chamber in the crypto space, you're going to think things are way bigger than they actually are. Understand, most people in traditional finance, if they read the news, well, this is what they know about Ondo so far. Right there. That is it. So pretty early. Anyways, also it's its first bull run, so there's that. But let's go into the next one. So Trump and BlackRock's secret crypto bet. Ondo Finance explained. So, real-world assets are emerging as the next top narrative in the crypto market. The next big thing. This is not surprising given how much asset managers like BlackRock have been talking about tokenizing assets in recent weeks. It's very true. They have been mentioning that they want the entire stock market to be tokenized. So, we'll see how this whole thing goes. But what is surprising, though, is how much they have been getting involved in RWA cryptos. As a blue chip in the niche, Ondo Finance stands to benefit, particularly because it has close ties to Trump administration. That's why today we're going to explain what Ondo Finance is and how it works, what it's planning, and how high Ondo token can go as a result. Spoiler alert, it could have incredible potential. So if you guys want to read more into this, you guys can actually give them your information. I don't want them to have my information, so the links will be in the description down below. Links to all three of these websites will be in the description. But Ondo Finance unveils Layer 1 blockchain for institutions to tokenize RWAs. So, real-world asset tokenization platform Ondo Finance said it will launch an institution-focused Layer 1 blockchain for Wall Street firms to tokenize RWAs. Ondo announced Ondo Chain on February 6th during an inaugural New York summit. Chase Harrow, co-founder of the Trump family's World Liberty Financial, reportedly told the summit that the crypto platform would create a strategic reserve with tokens it holds, including Ondo token. Development of Ondo Chain will be advised by Ondo's existing members, namely BlackRock, PayPal, Morgan Stanley, and new members including Franklin Templeton, WisdomTree, Google Cloud, ABN, Armo, never heard of them, AON, I don't know what Aon is, and McKinsey. Ondo Finance said These are some big time, so the ones I do know, these are some big time partnerships. I'm going to have to look up who these ones are right here. So we will see what I find later on, but that is quite interesting. They're getting some big time players to partner up with. It's a good sign. But Ondo's Layer 1 aims to be eligible, aims to enable a myriad of use cases in institutions, including prime brokerage with cross-collateralized margin for RWAs, staking tokenized RWAs, and wealth management. Basically, the more ways they can figure out how to get money, kind of like in traditional finance, the better this project is going to do. So, yeah, I'm going to link this in the description down below so you guys can read through this in its entirety if you do find this information to be pretty interesting. But Ondo's announcement comes as World Liberty Financial, Harrow, revealed that the platform plans to create a strategic reserve with the tokens it holds. Bloomberg reported on February 6th. Related, tokenized RWA markets return to all-time high levels as token-led crypto recovery. World Liberty's token reserve would likely include a $470,000 worth of Ondo tokens it snapped on February 6th, according to Arkham Intelligence. The platform had bought $270,000 worth of Ondo tokens on December 15th amid a nearly $45 million flurry of token purchases, and at the time included Ethereum, Coinbase wrapped BTC, and Coinbase wrapped BTC. The Trump family's crypto platform. Anyways, you guys can read into this. It's looking like things for Ondo are looking up. So let's go ahead and dive into the technicals. Let's see how the price is taking the news, and let's go from there. Anyways, looking at Ondo on the daily. So on the daily right now, we did have this beautiful downtrending level of resistance that we broke bullishly out of. We did have this crazy wick to the downside as it got bought up. However, we are finding a ton of resistance at this $1.37 level. So it's making me lean a bit bearish on this particular asset, where I would be expecting it to drop down even further, probably testing the $1.08 level once again. And I'm saying probably because, you know, this market has been doing some weird things lately by way of not really moving in the way you would expect. So TA has been a little off lately, and I'm guessing the bots are just getting smarter. So I'm going to adjust this to a new downtrend like this, just so I can see it in its whole entirety when it does break to the upside. So right now, this is the downtrend I'm seeing. And noted, we could go as low as coming back down to 7699, because we do have a supply line sitting down here, and it would coincide with a back test of the supply line, getting your third touch, or fourth touch, I should say. So it doesn't look that bad. It just looks like it's resetting, especially after on the daily you did put in bearish divergence, meaning you had a high in relative strength, higher high in price, lower relative strength. So the downtrend continued. We set in a lower high, which also looks like a double top. So that's fun. That's great. Let's dive into the lower time frames. Let's see what we could find. Looking at our 4-hour time frame on the RSI, it doesn't look bad, but still, it doesn't look good either. This is the problem with some of these newer tokens. They go through a lot of growing pains, is what I call it. Growing pains, they're the worst. But right now, it does look like it's trying to catch a bounce by almost getting oversold on the 4-hour time frame. Let's go into your 1-hour time frame. 1 hour, you did get into that oversold territory. So now you're expecting a bit of a bounce to the upside. We'll see what happens in the coming week, but understand, if you maintain your levels above this $1.08, well, your next leg up could be very substantial, and I mean very substantial, because the upside target on this would be going up to your 1618 on the Fibonacci, looking like 141% upside from where it's sitting right this moment. So keep your eyes on this one. Maybe keep some alerts up, because once you break this downtrend, it could be absolutely amazing to the upside. Until then, maybe consider accumulating. I don't know. I'm not going to give you any financial advice, But all I can tell you is this one is on my radar, and I would love to see it prosper in this bull run. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. We do go live every single day, going over technical analysis, so you guys could join in that if you want some different ideas of great entries, where to put a stop loss, anything like that. We basically just read charts. I take all viewer requests. And outside of that, if you need somewhere to facilitate trading, you guys can always check the links down below. We have 2 affiliated exchanges, which are Buy DeFi and Weeks. They have amazing sign-on bonuses. You have also trading rebates. You guys can actually make some money while trading, and it's kind of nice. Anyways, hopefully you guys have a fantastic rest of your weekend or rest of your day, week, whenever you might be seeing this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.